If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Gala video update. Yesterday I didn't make the video for you. In this video I told you that we're potentially looking good to continue to 0.06649, and we're pretty much on the journey. So from the time I made that video, it's already up 34%, 35%. So congratulations to whoever took the trade. I didn't take the trade because I was a little bit suspicious, basically, due to the weekly. But it seems like he smashed through. Very, very good sign right there. I thought, this was resistance, and you can have a resistance here as well. But, it ended up flying, so that's a very good sign. At the moment, I cannot talk too much, basically, due to throat issues. And this was the pattern. Support, resistance, went down, break the resistance, back test, move to the upside to 0.066, and that's pretty much it for this update, guys. Keep in mind, we don't want to lose 2898. If you start to come down and lose 2898, it's gonna be really bad. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Love you.